I'm Adam, first AD at LIAV Visuals, and today I'm going to talk about my on-set secret weapon. Multi-tools. I've been through loads of them. Branded and non-branded, I've paid little, I've paid lots, but my current everyday carry is by far my favourite, and that's the Leatherman Surge. It's got 21 built-in tools, and most of them get a lot of use from me on set. Scissors, knife, pliers, flathead screwdrivers, and those are just the built-in ones. The Surge also comes with a bit driver, so you can add full-size bits to your setup. It's great for Allen keys, which I find myself reaching for when assembling cages or adjusting Ronins. The construction is brilliant. When any of the tools are being used to screw or pry, there's no flex. Every blade and file is held in with the exact amount of tension that makes it easy to pull out a tool, but impossible for one to come out by accident. It's also really well designed for one-handed operation. So if you're up a ladder or even just holding a camera in your hand, you can easily pull out a tool with a flick of the thumb. I've had mine for 4 years now and it's still going strong. It's the kind of tool where I worry more about the floor if I drop it. All this being said, you do end up paying the price for a well-built tool like this. The Surge currently retails for £155 on the Leatherman website, and in my opinion it's worth every penny. Although you can find deals if you look around, it comes with a 25-year guarantee, so for the price you know they've got faith in it. If the price puts you off, I certainly wouldn't have an issue with buying one of these second-hand, as the quality of the build is so high. But that's if you can find anyone willing to part with theirs. When you're buying a bladed item anywhere, you need to be aware of the laws in your area, so make sure you find out before purchasing something that may get you in trouble. In summary, the Surge is a brilliant bit of kit, and I do reach for it multiple times a day. It's never let me down. It's expensive, but if you buy cheap, you will buy twice, and this keeps delivering for years. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more videos from myself and the LIAV Visual boys.